Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting with Chrome open on the page you want to inspect. Right-click the exact element you care about to jump straight to it. This saves time versus opening panels first. Once done, note that the Inspect Element panel focuses HTML and highlights the selected node. If you prefer keyboard, press Ctrl+Shift+I on Windows/Linux or CMD+Option+I on Mac to open Developer Tools. This opens the full suite, and you'll land in Elements, or the last used panel. Now you're inside Elements. This is where HTML and CSS meet. Click the node picker icon or press Ctrl+Shift+C to hover over page parts and see their DOM representation. This helps you find nested items quickly. Once selected, the right-hand styles pane shows active and inherited CSS. You can toggle rules, change values, or add new properties to test fixes live. Make sure to watch for hover or media queries that change behavior. Use Device Toolbar to simulate sizes when needed. Finish by leveraging other panels. Open Console to see runtime errors, Network to inspect requests, and Sources to set breakpoints. You can copy edited HTML or computed styles back into your project. Remember, inspect edits are temporary, so persist them in source files. Once done, close Developer Tools and reload to verify. If tools don't open or show blank panes, make sure extensions aren't interfering. Disable them, restart Chrome, and clear cache. Doing this usually resolves UI or load issues that block inspection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.